Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log into multiple Gmail accounts laptop. Open your Gmail account. There, click on your profile and then choose the option Add Account. Enter the Gmail account you are going to add. Click on Next. Enter the password for the account and then click on Next. Wait a bit for Gmail to load and you can see that it opens in the account you have added. If you wish, click on the profile to validate this. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.